Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, we are here with a solution. This is Property Cloud, your favorite prop tech service. With what exactly is a prop tech service? This is the place जहाँ पर हम आपको करवाते हैं virtual site tours. Now, what are virtual site tours? I'm gonna tell you. What I will do is I will take you on property visits right over here on your mobile phone or on your laptop, and then I will tell you everything about the project that I'm at, including the land parcel, the number of towers, the kind of apartments that they would have, and I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready. Now, once you've seen everything, after that you can shortlist the properties that you have liked, and then our salesperson will take you on a free pickup and drop service for that property. Not just that property. What you can rather do is that you can shortlist a couple of properties and then you can visit all the properties in one day, maybe with the help of our free pickup and drop service. What we actually do is that we directly connect you to the developer. उससे होता ये है कि आपको कोई ब्रोकरेज नहीं भरना पड़ता है और कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं होते हैं. उसी के साथ साथ आपको मिल जाता है बॉटम प्राइस भी और काफ़ी सारे अदर डिस्काउंट्स जो बाकी के लोगों को नहीं मिलते हैं क्योंकि देयर आर मिडिल मैन इन्वॉल्व. नाउ इतनी सारी चीज़ें अगर यहाँ पे हो ही रही हैं तो क्या ये सिर्फ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है टिल बॉम्बे? नो, वी आर प्रेजेंट globally, not just in the top tier cities of India, but also globally. We are present in UAE, in Canada, in USA, in Singapore, and many more places. So when you want to buy a house absolutely anywhere in the world, all you need to do is come to us at Property Cloud over here so that we can help you buy your dream home. Now there's a lot more that I need to talk to you about, लेकिन उससे पहले let me also take you to one of the projects and show you where I am going today. And here I am at Lodha Bellevue. Now this project has a very specific location. It's located at Jacob Circle, and from here Bhaikala is very nearby. Not just that, the Mahalakshmi railway station is also just about 5 minutes from here, and along with that you get the best views of the Worli Sea Link as well. Now because this is located in South Mumbai, we all know that this is going to be one of the most premium properties of the locality. I'm going to show you the project 3D model, and also I'm going to show you the sample flat, which is a 4 BHK, which is of 1600 square feet. I'm going to tell you the configurations of the other apartments as well. Stay tuned with me. And this is the project's complete 3D model, which is a total 2.5 acres of urban forest. The total 5-acre land parcel includes 2 towers over here. And there is going to be, of course, there are going to be world-class amenities. Now the 3 BHKs would be of 1111 square feet, starting from 6.5 crore onwards. The 3 BHK with study would be of 1200 square feet. The 3 BHK luxury would be of 1603 square feet, starting from 9.3 crore onwards. And the 4 BHK 1600, the one that I'm going to show you, would be of 9.3 crore onwards. The 4 BHK would be starting from 11.3 crore onwards, and the configuration would be of 1954 square feet. The 5 BHK would be of 2749 square feet, and the 5 BHK would be of 2960 square feet, and the 6 BHK would be of 2400 square feet. And this over here is the apartment from inside. Let's take a look. And this is the entrance of the house, the foyer area, wherein you will get pretty good space for your shoe racks and storage units right behind the door over here. This is the space that can be utilized for your storage units or your shoe racks. And here is the kitchen. Now the kitchen comes with these 2 tops over here that ends at a vegetable and utensil sink here, and there is a dry utility area. Now in the real flat you will get the servants quarter right over here. This is a sample flat, so they haven't yet shown it over here. This is going to be your dry utility area that comes with good provision for your washing machines too. Now let's walk back into the living and the dining space. This space over here is your living and dining space, which is almost a rectangular unit so that there is no dead space. Now let's take a look at the sit out or the balcony area. Because the views are going to be beautiful, the balcony had to be beautiful, and there's a reason. It's a big large balcony right over here that comes covered from 2 sides, and also the flooring has been given with the wooden finished ceramic tiles and a toughened glass railing for your security, but still the views do not get hampered. Now let's walk into the common areas and the bedrooms. So first of all, over here is the first common bedroom right over here. Now this bedroom does not come with an attached toilet and wash, but the common bathroom is right opposite it. I'm going to show you what took my attention is this particular window. Now this window opens, so now this sliding door will open completely from the top to the bottom, and there's going to be good ventilation, but this toughened glass makes sure that you get the feeling of a standing balcony and the security, but still not hampering the light that enters the room. Isn't this absolutely amazing? Now let me show you the common toilet that I promised you is right opposite this room. Right over here is the powder room, or your common toilet and bathroom that comes with the standard CP sanitary fittings and also the granite flooring and the glass shower cubicle. Now let's walk into the first bedroom of the house. That one was a common bedroom. It can be converted into a study. So this over here is the first guest bedroom of the house. Again, it comes with a similar kind of a window or a standing balcony as we would call it, which will give you the best views over here at Mahalakshmi. And this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and washroom. And this over here is the attached toilet and wash toilet, which again comes with the standard CP sanitary fittings and also a glass shower cubicle. From the foyer area, we will walk back right into the main area of the house, the living and the dining. Now 2 bedrooms have been placed on one side and 2 bedrooms have been placed on other side, giving it the butterfly effect. Let's take a look at this bedroom first. Now here is this particular bedroom that also comes with an extra space over here for your wardrobes and also the similar kind of a standing balcony feel, which will give you again the best view of the Worli Sea Link as well. Now this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and wash, which is right over here. Let's take a look at it. And it also comes with a glass shower cubicle inside and the CP sanitary fittings. This is the grand master bedroom of the house, and the similar kind of a window that you can see right behind me that comes with the toughened glass and also the absolutely well lit balcony, or the window as I'm going to call it. Now what is more important, what is more lit about this room? Let me show it to you. Follow me right into your walk-in wardrobe. Right over here is the walk-in wardrobe of this particular room that also comes with a window so that this place also stays lit and also stays well ventilated. Now this area is the walk-in wardrobe, and over here is the attached toilet and wash that comes with your master bedroom. Now this one also comes with these marble fittings and the CP sanitary fittings, also the glass shower cubicle that you just saw. And now, in case you are wondering how can you come over here and take a look at this property or maybe go ahead with the booking process, well, it's very simple. All you need to do is stay tuned with me for the next 10 seconds. I'm going to tell you what exactly is to be done. Now that you've seen the property, you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process or how can you visit this place? Well, it's very simple. Captions mein there's a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on that link, and then our salesperson will get in touch with you and then will help you shortlist the properties depending on your needs and your requirements and your choices. After that, you can of course do the property site visits absolutely free of cost, as I told you earlier, with no brokerage, as I told you earlier, and also with the best payment options and best payment offers as well, as I told you earlier. Now that I've told you everything earlier, you need to very quickly click on the link that's mentioned in the caption, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing such more beautiful properties in your vicinity and across the globe. Well, stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, on Property Cloud for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.